Hey guys, so just a quick video. I haven't said hey guys in a while. So this is kind of a weird video. I don't normally do this kind of thing, but I just didn't want you to think I had forgotten all about the crap clock, the binary crap clock. I can't even say it. Well, I haven't. There's a guy called Steve Ludgate, and I'll put his information in the description, a link to the video. I sent him the very first one of these. The very first, well, it's not the first. He got 10 of 22. I just picked it out at random. This one's 1 of 22. He received the very first one. The first one meant for swaps. So he is going to design a case for it. So that's the swap. He's done a video of putting it together. You can find it in the description. Do go over and watch it. He's really entertaining. And he's going to make a case for this. So I'll put that STL file alongside all the documentation for this. Now, there is a Tindie store that I'm just waiting for approval from Tindie for before it can start to sell on Tindie. So if you want to buy one, you can. As soon as that's approved as well, I will give you a link to all of the documentation for this. So that's the schematic, the board files. What else do you need? Bill of materials, that kind of thing. So if you want to, you can make your own. And you can just use the schematic to make one on a breadboard if you want to. That would be really interesting to see. What I would love someone to do with this, and I think I've mentioned this before, is not use the built-in LEDs. It would be brilliant if someone would use the signals coming out of here to sort of trigger something bigger. So, I don't know, a big light, like a light bulb, like a proper incandescent light bulb. That would be very cool. Essentially, you can do pretty much anything with this. I think it's going to be cool. So yeah, I just thought I'd let you know. Do go over and watch Stephen's video. It's very funny. I enjoyed it a lot. So thank you very much, Stephen. And if anyone ends up buying one of these and making the whole thing on video, I would love to see that too. If you can send a picture on Twitter or whatever, that would be cool too. I'll put up another very short video when the store is up and people can go and buy them. Or download the files and make your own. I don't really care. I'm not here to make money. It's basically being sold at cost. So, and I have to go to the post office. So it's going to be a bit of a pain. Anyway, I'll speak to you guys soon.